Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 13.3, 11.3, that is question number 14. A circular flower garden has an area of 314 meter square. A sprinkler at the center of the garden can cover an area that has a radius of 12 meter. Will the sprinkler water the entire garden take pi is equal to 3.14? Suppose this is a flower garden, circular flower garden. Suppose this is a circular flower garden. First of all, we'll find the radius of this flower garden, right? Let us find the radius. Here, what is given is, see here, area of the circle is given. Area of the area of the circular flower garden. Area of the circular flower garden. That is equal to 314 meter square. Right? First we'll find the radius of this circular flower garden. You know that area of a circle is pi r square. Pi r square. Therefore, pi square is equal to 314. Right? Therefore, r square can be written as 314 by 3.14. By pi means 3.14 by pi, or it can be written as 314 by 3.14, right? Or if we change into fraction, then we will get 314 by 100, that is into 100 by 314 and this will be cut by 1. 1, that comes to 100. Now r is equal to root over of 100, and that becomes 10 into 10 into 10. Therefore, radius is 10 meter. Radius of this circle is 10 meter. 10 meter. Right? Now, a sprinkler at the center garden can cover an area that is a radius of 12 meter. This one can cover an area that is the entire area. So this is the circle. And a sprinkler is at the center, and the radius of this circle is 12 meter. Right? Will the sprinkler water the entire garden? Yes, the sprinkler will sprinkler water the entire garden, because this radius is 10 meter, and this sprinkler at the center of the garden can cover an area that is a radius of 12 meter. More than that, right? That we can say that yes, the sprinkler the sprinkler will water will water will water the entire garden. Water the entire garden. Entire garden. Why? Because the radius of the flower garden is less than the radius of the sprinkler. It is 12 meter here to here, and the radius of the flower garden is only 10 meter. Therefore, it can sprinkle all the entire garden. Therefore, you can say yes, the sprinkler will water the entire garden. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.